quantity case activated powder drop, RCBS Uniflow. It's got a pistol stem and small rudder in it. In case you didn't know. Extra features. Activator also fits RCBS powder measures and other measures with 7/8 by 14 threads. In case you didn't know that. Because it's basically the same design. First things first. I'm going to put these little screws. Here's a little lever. Sometimes I'll use a star washer to lock these screws in place. Usually it's not necessary. And this goes roughly halfway between the two. Now once you put this on here, the only time you have to take it off is if you decide to go back to being completely manual. There we have the mechanism put together, the upper. We screw this long drop tube straight in. Nice how they do that. This is the lower unit that attaches to a tool head. This little thumb screw here, actually you want to put it, go ahead and thread it in, not all the way, but quite a bit of the way. Because where the thread's in between there and the shoulder of the thumb screw, it's narrower, and that's where you end up sliding the slot of the activation lever, and then screw it together something like that. That's what it looks like. When you put together a spring, taking the rotor out, do a little buffing first. Working it up and down will smooth out anything there. And there we go. That's how you put one together. Real simple, very simple. Or you can open the instruction book and follow that. Now believe me, I don't know what this big beast goes to, but it's a 5/16 Allen key. I don't have no idea what it goes to, because I sure don't use it. And then you have different adapters. You have a small and a large, and then you have a large. I would use this for more pistol probably, small rifle, larger rifle. Large rifle because notice it's not as long, so it doesn't have to travel as far. When the case shoulder activates this, let's see, I'll grab a small piece of brass here off the shelf. This is a 223 case. Obviously it won't work on that, but it will work on this, because that's what it's for. Smaller ones like 223, possibly even 243, maybe even up to 25. But so the case mount hits this chamfered area inside, and pushes up. The powder that falls into the cavity that's open inside gets turned, drops down the drop tube, through there, down into the case. And then when you let the tension off, it springs back down, and then you have a charged case. Now this will eventually probably get a micrometer on it. Right now it's just a standard, so you just undo this lock screw. There's a nice bolt washer to keep tension so it doesn't just back off on its own. But you don't have to back it out too far. You can turn the stem. That's what makes the cavity inside smaller or larger. Of course, you turn counterclockwise to make a larger inside, or clockwise. And then when you're done, you don't have to make it tight, just enough where the stem won't back out from vibration and during use. And there you have it. I have another cap. I got plenty of these. I got a cap sitting there, and this is ready to install either on a 4-hole turret or your favorite 5-hole turret. And that's the way it goes.